Welcome back to Auto Resolve. Today I will show you how to make your laptop faster. Method 1. Disable startup programs. Step 1. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC. Then extend it. Then click on Startup Apps. And then disable apps which you can't use. Method 2. Delete temporary files. Step 1. Press Window plus I. Then click on System. Then click on Storage. Then click on Temporary Files and select all, and then simply click on Remove Files.